Everyone, want to demonstrate this portable power supply for you. This is compatible with both 12 and 24 volt systems. I have the capability to not only jumpstart a car engine, but I've got status lights here. There are some different functions for both 12 and the 24 volts. I also have an AC inverter here that's good for 400 watts of power and 110 volts. To jumpstart a battery, it comes with the jumper cable here, so I'll plug that in. You go ahead and connect the battery terminals first to your battery. All you got to do is match the colors.
Boost. Please select starting voltage.
I'm going to select 12 volts.
Voltage is 12 volts, so please start the car.
I heard the click of the relay going on, and now I can see the voltage jumped up from 12.5 to 14.6. That means that is charging my 12 volt battery right now. Also got status up here of how much battery is remaining. There's a countdown for 40 seconds that starts here. I've got 40 seconds of the jump voltage to start the car. So it's asking me to go ahead and start right now. I'm going to do that. You've got some illumination. I can also cycle through that, and you get some emergency lights here. And then there's a separate power button here to control the voltage for the power outlets if I need to use it for auxiliary.